Hey guys, my Mac Mini is set up on the other shelf up there. It does not have a keyboard or mouse attached to it physically. I'm wanting to set up the Mac so I can use it for coding. I like the way the Mac handles coding. So I've been using Teamviewer to log into the Mac remotely, which is fine. And you'll see it showing. If for some reason it isn't showing, which it normally isn't in the morning, all I have to do is reach over and tap Shift on my Bluetooth keyboard and it comes right up. So let's log into it. So as far as it's concerned, everything's fine. I can open up Firefox. Okay, that's all great. It works. But this is not my preferred way. And doing it this way, I have no audio whatsoever. The Mac Mini will not allow, or actually any of the Macs, will not allow audio through Teamviewer or VNC or any of the others. It's just a quirk of OS X. So when I switch over my display, I'm stuck with the small keyboard and mouse, and that's kind of annoying. Well, I discovered kind of an interesting feature, if you will. If I will leave Teamviewer active on the PC and then I switch over to the Mac, my normal keyboard and mouse works just fine. You see here, I'm typing just fine. Okay? Now, if we go back to the PC and if I minimize Teamviewer, so it no longer has focus, and go back to the Mac, then you'll notice my keyboard and mouse for the PC no longer function. So kind of weird, but it's a nice trick, and it makes it very convenient for me, because if I'm not using the PC, then it doesn't matter which screen is active, right? So anyway, hope that helps somebody. Thanks a lot.